Hi guys, I've got 3 cash bolts to do. Fingers crossed that I can have some luck. I've won 3 times on the cash bolts today, so has been semi-lucky. Oops. Sorry about that, knocking things over. Zoom in a bit. Right, so I got 3, so fingers crossed. I'm really pleased with how today's gone actually, because I brought the new cash 7s. I put the video up on my channel if no one's had a look, but the first time I brought one, I didn't win on one and I lost on the other, and I won a 10. I won twice found found 3 black 7s, and then I found the fingers, and then and that was a tenner, and then I went back, got 2 more, and then again obviously I lost on one, and then the other one came through, and it was and it was a straight tenner. Got 3 back 7s again, so that one was a good one today. And my first and second time of buying them, and that happened. No, to be honest, how quick I got these, you'd think the gem would have appeared, but obviously not. I thought that they might give it to me, to be honest, but I think it doesn't look like it's going to happen. VIP. Well, to be honest, that is a really mean one, isn't it? Star and fingers. Yeah, I would say that was a mean one, because they gave us 3 of them straight away, made it look like, oh, we're going to get that, and then no, didn't they give it to us? But that's the first one. We still got 2 more to go. Right, star, lemon, finger, lightning bolt, apple and pound sign, VIP, lightning bolt, gold bar, and stack. Oh, so we've got to find the grapes. What? Oh, exactly what I needed last time. Moon, moon. I think again it's going to be another teaser, we say. 7. Cooler. And the crown. So nothing on that one. So 2 out of 3, no good. And the last one here. Can this one come? Stack. B. An apple. There's a diamond. Grape and pound sign. Star. And sun. Gold bar, and safe there's no way we're going to get the glitter ball, because that'd be 2 wins, so we all know that's not going to happen. I just realised there's the diamond there. Okay, so we've got Moneybag, Clover, Moon, Grapes. Ooh, we got a win. Probably going to be £3. Oh, the famous £5. This makes me laugh because that's all I've been getting today. That's my third £5 win on the cash box today. I had one £3 and then I've had three £5 ones. So, well, 369. There's £9 worth here, and we were saved by it not being a busto with the £5 win. So I say, yay. Again, not a bus session, so I'm pleased about that again. So not too bad. So thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like and subscribe. Cheers, guys.